Rectangle tool. Rectangle tool is used to draw geometric shapes. Now this tool is located in the toolbox. Select the tool and its shortcut is the letter R. Simply click and drag and leave to draw a rectangle on the stage. Now let's move to its properties. The properties of rectangle tool are fill, stroke color, stroke height, style, and edit style. The style for the path end can be round or square. The path segment meeting point can be mitre, round, or bevel. Next, hinting will show the anchor points in full pixels to avoid blurring. Scaling enables the scaling of stroke as normal, horizontal, vertical, or none in the Flash player. Now we're going to select a color for stroke and fill. Then give 3 for the stroke height and click on Edit Stroke Style option. A dialog box appears from that, so choose Type as Stipple, Dot Size Small, Dot Variation Varied Size, and Density Sparse. And then click OK. Next we have Rectangle Options. In that for Rectangle Corner Radius, give it as -10, or you can just move the slider to enter a value. Now click and drag, and we can see the difference in the shape and line. Note that to specify rounded corners for rectangles, we should give positive values in the corner radius. Well then, Reset option is used to reset the rectangle corner radius. So click Reset and just drag, and we can see the original shape of the rectangle. Next, hold the Alt key and click on the stage. It displays a rectangle settings dialog box. Here we can specify the rectangle width, height, corner radius, and if we want to draw the rectangle from the center, then enable this option. Now then, click on OK, and we can see a rectangle of the specified size. Note, to draw a perfect square, hold the Shift key and draw to get the desired shape. This is all about the rectangle tool. Now, using this tool, we can create many different shapes. So try and create some small buildings and use your own shapes using this tool. Next up, we'll move to the Rectangle Primitive tool. Rectangle Primitive tool. In Flash, Rectangle Primitive tool draws the shapes as a separate object and not like objects created using the object drawing mode. Rectangle Primitive tool is under Rectangle tool. This is the Primitive Rectangle tool, and its shortcut is the letter R. Simply click on this tool and drag it on the stage. Once we have created a rectangle, we can view the anchor points over it. Using these points, we can modify our shape. Now, while drawing the rectangle, use Rectangle Primitive tool. Press the up and down arrow keys to alter the corner radius of the rectangle and to get yourself some different shapes. The properties of Rectangle Primitive tool are similar to that of the Rectangle tool. We can alter stroke and fill color from here. Give stroke height as 5. Style solid. Edit stroke style. Cap as round. Join as round. Hinting and scale as normal. Good. Now just draw and see the rectangle. The width, height, X and Y position of the rectangle can be altered. To set the corner radius of the rectangle, go to Rectangle option and specify the values, or just use the slider. Draw a rectangle and we'll note the changes in the corners. Very good. Now, Reset option sets all the values back to 0. Therefore, we can draw a rectangle with different corner radius and angles using the Rectangle Primitive tool. Using this tool, we can create decorative borders and some beautiful shapes.